This is my video that made the official selection at a film festival in Berlin, Germany.
This book is the history of Seto villages in southern China, including my ancestral village in Hoiping, China. For Chinese people, it's really important to know where our roots are from.
This is the first time I'm looking for my grandfather's village in China. The people in these villages all have the last name of Seto. I'm getting closer to my grandfather's village.
So what I'm saying is, it's actually way farther than what we think as a block. It's just over there, so it's still quite a distance.
Finally, we meet our relatives. This is my grandfather's house in China. I never thought I'd ever set foot in his house in China, but here I am. My cousin and his wife live in my grandfather's house now. My cousin and I, we have the same great-grandfather and the same great-grandmother. My grandfather built this house in the early 1900s. He had sent money back home to build this house when he moved to Canada. The house is falling apart right now. Everything has been falling down. My cousin has lived in this house since he was a child. His mother was widowed when he was 5 years old. They asked my grandfather to let them stay in this house. This village has houses owned by members of the Seto family. Most of the members of the Setos went overseas to live in Canada and sent money back home to build the houses. When they come to visit the village, they ignore my cousin and his wife. They look down on them. When my cousin's mom died a few years back, the whole village of Chekham came to her funeral. There were over 400 people there. They wanted to know how a single mom could take care of her 2 kids by herself. She had many struggles, but my grandfather also sent money to her over the years. He sent a lot of money to a lot of people in the village. In Canada, relatives came to him for money, but they never took care of the people in the village.